Hello everyone, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. Don't forget that we're in here to give you the best. Click on the notification button so that you can get more of our video, like and subscribe. Please, again, you can always check us on YouTube, on the handle of our YouTube, the same Austin Global, or you can check us at Instagram, Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare, and also on Facebook. A quick one, I just want to drop a beautiful recipe. Is a body repair, how to make a body repair lotion, and how to make a lightening lotion, and how to make a whitening lotion together with it. All right, so in other words, when making a whitening lotion or a body repair lotion, you can also make it unified as 3 in 1 or 2 in 1. You don't need to make them separate, and that is why I will introduce to you, like you all know this before. All right, and yes, this, I know you know it now. Look at it. Yes, golden face. You know, a lot of people, we had 3 type of this golden face. Are you getting it? We have 3 type of this, but this particular one, this body milk, a lot of people use it. They don't have the right recipe to it. So now I will teach you how you can use it, and you will see result, and it will treat all your problems, like all the acne in your body, or any wrinkle, or any side effect, or dark spots, like all that. I will teach you how you can use it. You know, basically this is a lightening cream already. A lightening cream, yes. If you use this constantly, it can give you 1 shade. If you are using it constantly, it can give you 1 shade. It's very good. I recommend it a lot to a lot of people, but it's just that our people, they don't get patient. Are you getting it? They don't get patient. You don't expect to use it once and you just see result, or you expect to use it like you just start using it and you see result. No. Are you getting it? All you just have to do, keep using it, just gradually you will see the result. It keep coming, and you will love the tone of the skin look it's gonna give to you. As you can see my face. Are you getting it? Not that I don't have some things, sometimes I don't have acne, or sometimes I have to generate all this with the wrong lotions. So some of the lotions I know, because I use a lot of lotion. Some of the lotion I know that, okay, I used this some time ago, it gave me bad result. I did experiment on this. Some of all those lotion I will intentionally use them for my face to generate some issues, and so that I can make other solutions for them. Are you getting it? But since then, I have not found this lotion guilty. This lotion, I try to see his weakest spot. No way. All I know is that use it gradually. It will give you 1 shade or 2 shade. Now, if you want to make this more concentrate, lightening or whitening, what do you add to it? That is why I will tell you, add this. It has its own concentrate, it has its own serum, but add this pimentos, or you can use pijun, but I like this pimentos. If you add this pimentos to it, add this pimentos just like 50%. Yes, add 50% to this. When you add this 50%, every dark spot you have in will extra fast to clean off. You know, I love this pimentos very well, because this pimentos is not just a lightening agent. Constant usage can even make you white. Some people who don't like to white, who just want to light, constant usage of this can make you white. Are you getting it? So that's why I'm advising that put 50% into this. When you put 50% into inside this, then you blend properly. After blending, okay, let me quickly show you something. Okay, so I want to show you that you will be amazed now, because a lot of people, they be asking me, how can I know the original one? I want to know the original one. Original one is okay. This is what I want to show you. The vitamin E and C is there. You see, the vitamin E and C is there, so you should know that yes, it's a lightening property. Are you getting it? E is for moisturize, C is for lightening. Yes, there are some that they will be written, although like some vitamin E, they will be written, some capsule they will written vitamin E. Meanwhile, it's vitamin C. I don't know why they are doing that, but this one, no. The vitamin E and C is there. Take note. I will make a video on that in a couple of next hour. I will make a video on that. When you see some vitamin E, some vitamin E, they are vitamin C. So that's another problem they are creating. So back to what we're doing. This is a very lightning, and you will love it. I'm showing you. We're going there gradually. I always want to, when I'm making a video, I always want to show you everything I'm using. All right. Now we've set up these two. Then to make it more perfect, you've gotten a lightning lotion already with these two things. Then let's make it more lightning and treatment. I will introduce to you again this one. You see, this AHA. This AHA is original, that it controls, its anti-aging, like it works for every, like you have any yama for your body. This AHA is to repair your skin. This AHA is to remove all those yama and basically to lighten your skin. And you can use it for your dark area elbows. You can use it for your knuckles as well. You can use it for those places you have those dark area. You can use it for the AHA. If you don't know, you can use it. So with these three combination, it's a very nice combo. Give it a try. I thank you for those of you who always give me feedback. I so appreciate you all for giving me feedback. Oh, I'm so amazed. I bless you, because meaning that you've given it a try and you see wonderful wonders. Give it a try. It's not every time you'll be asking what am I going to use. Now that you that asked me that question yesterday, I've talked about this Goody Face body lotion before. Are you getting it? Now I'm still saying it again, and I'm giving a very perfect mix, your combo. This is not because of YouTube thing. Are you getting it? And if you want to make it, to all body and face cream, you can still construct it. You just know what to put. I've taught you about that, how to make. You can check the link below. You will see how to make body and face cream. So now with this combo, you can become more lighter and even repair your skin. It's anti-aging. I told you this AHA, and repair your skin where you have all those yama, it will clear them off. Where you have those dark spots, now we have two extra effective solution there now, which is the Pimentos and the AHA. Are you getting it? So that will boost your cream very faster. It will boost your cream. Then if you even want to be more serious, that oh wow, how can I get? You can add Blend Pro 9. That is if you want it to get white in 1 week. You cannot add Blend Pro 9. But if you don't want it to be 1 week, like you want 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you can leave it with this 3 combo. Are you getting it? Yes, you can leave it with this 3 combo. Then if you are not that sure of your skin, that because your skin has been a type that doesn't assimilate new solutions quickly, or if they assimilate, you are allergic to or new solution before it becomes good in your body, it causes some harms. You cannot come with this Olibat. Are you getting it? This Olibat now will not help you very well, very well, because Olibat is one of the best. The best, when I mean best, if you want to talk of yama, it's not a joke. Oh. Olibat works very well. These people, not that they did not pay me anything while I'm talking about their product. So you can put a whole of one tube, not just put it. If you know that your skin, you're so allergic to many things, it works for a lot. I can't just, you know those black thick ringworm that they don't die. When they die, they come back. Olibat take them off. Olibat clear them off. Even for those people who have those who after shaving they have problem with they have bumps or that, you know, include their neck. Olibat take them off. A lot of things, eczema, lakba, name it. So you cannot add 100% or 50% to this. Before you know it, you're making a better lotion. What are you not saying? You're making a better lotion. Are you getting it? You're making a better lotion. And if you want to add other oils or whatever for yourself, you can add any oil you want to add. But with this, if your body is that type that your body is too dry, you can add oil, fine. Yes, you can add oil. But person like me, I don't need to add oil because I'm oily enough. Like, yes, I'm oily enough. So if your skin is too dry, you can add any of the toning oil, all right, or moisturizing oil. You can add argan oil. You can add almond oil. But if you need a lightening oil, you can add the lightening oil. Those are just moisturizing oil I just called now. If you need the lightening oil, you can add the lightening oil, whitener, or any of the oil, or industrial or organic. You know, any how you may call it. Okay. But for me, I think this is okay for you. All right. If you know you are oily type already, don't add oil. This one is okay. All right. So we've come to the end of this class. Please get this in your memory that you have a good combination to make. Give it a try and get back to me. You can get back to me via the number on your screen. And don't forget, we have a beautiful lotions. We have yellow CC, we have Irish gold, we have yellow CC and Irish ladies white. We have beautiful combo of ours. We have Malawi oil, we have caramella oil, we have blema oil, we have shakara oil. We have a lot of oil that you can use to make your wonderful lotion and soaps and serums. All right, that is a great one I just told you about. Don't miss it. Give it a try and get back to us. We ship everywhere worldwide as well. Thank you. Bye bye.